What's up, fellas? Another day in paradise. What are we doing today, Danny?
Radiant tubing.
Radiant tubing. This is Danny.
This is me. I am me. Yeah, we're doing radiant tubing here. Rents are out. Got the paper and the wire laid out. A little bathroom here.
This paper is the same paper as we use on roof.
Yes.
Underlayment, tar paper. This is the guest room shower, aka my parents' bathroom. It's somewhat ADA accessible, kind of, sort of. Not necessarily with that curve there, but I wasn't cutting the floor joists out. Yeah, so the wire's down, and here we go. We're gonna put it on time lapse, right, Danny? Because this might take a little while.
It's gonna take a while.
Well, here's the finished product. Not bad. Sorry about the glare. Goes into the bathroom. We stayed a little bit away from the toilet and the vanity because you're going to be standing in this area. Your feet will be there. And it's warm when you get out of the shower. Go over here. This is the walk-in closet. That hole is strategically there, so pipes go down into the basement there. So what do you think, Dave? It wasn't too bad, right?
I like it. Nice.
Yeah. Worked out pretty well. And we also did the home office. Sorry about the banging. This is the mud room. This one we drilled holes in the floor to send it into the basement. In hindsight, maybe we should have dedicated a spot for the manifold up here somewhere, in hindsight, but it would have saved us probably 100 feet of pipe total.
Yeah.
Right?
You would have lost space somewhere.
Yeah, the space is more valuable than the pipe.
If you had a cabinet, you could have hit it in fine. Like, you know, if there's a cabinet here or something, fine, but then you lose real estate there. you got a wall downstairs to put it on.
Yeah.
It could have been like, you know, a manifold over here, a manifold over there, and everything could have diverged to it, and then it goes back.
Yeah. But it's not so far where it's that big of a deal.
No, this isn't it isn't a bedroom.
Yeah.
You push it with, you know, if it was going upstairs, then it has to.
Yeah, that's why in the master, which is like 60, 70 feet away, you know, we have a manifold up there.
Right. You need the extra BTUs.
If you guys are in the Westchester area, get in touch with Danny. He does all these kind of
That's
things.
a great idea. It's an excellent idea.
Thanks for watching.